Wow, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen who are watching us from wherever you are. I want to welcome you to JOCARE Services for another episode, and we are here in Soroti district, and you're going to get to know. I'm in a very funny place that I've never come, but you're going to know. I think this is Ochokchan. Yeah, Ochokchan, and I'm here with my brother who is going to share with us his experience about poultry farming. If you can come with me and we enter inside there, we check on the broilers inside here so that you'll be able to know what is happening. We are here to inspire you before we expire. Come with me. Oh. This is the beauty of poultry keeping, guys. I know you have never seen this, and we really want to thank my brother here who is going to take us through this. Many people say for you to start this kind of adventure, you need a lot of money, and we are going to know from my brother here. Yes, brother. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. If you can tell us your name.
So my name is Sam Otai.
Yes.
I'm born from Serere,
Yes.
but
This place is called
it's called Ochokchan.
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 Ochokchan. Ochokchan is a parish.
Yes, it's a parish.
Then the village is.
A village is called Labango.
Hey, Ochokchan is a sub-county.
Eh,
Then Labango is
a
a
village.
village and a parish.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so that is where I am right now. I'm in Ochokchan, a sub-county in Abango here. And we are going to, as usual, we are going to talk about poultry farming. And here is a brother who is doing this broiler venture this side of Abango. Yes, if you can tell us how did it start? How long have these chicks here taken?
So they complete 1 month and 6 days.
Hey, this one. And now 1 month and 6 days.
Yeah, 1 month and 6 days.
Wow, wow, wow. So what are the? Let me maybe start from the time you started up to now 1 month and 6 days. How have you planned for them until they have reached this level here?
So my plan is I started doing this poultry on 10th December
Okay.
2024. So Honorable brought these chicks when is 1 month,
Okay.
and then so I started when these chicks is 1 month up to now. So I use maggots and maize bran to feed these chicks. So you see the size, they grow very
and they grow very fast.
they grow very fast.
So this
But
one, what is mixed here?
It's maggots,
Maggots and
dry maggots and maize bran.
Hey, wow, wow.
So I decided to use these things because of the thing called the concentrate.
Yes.
So I decided to leave concentrate. So if you mix the maggots and the maize bran, they give these chicks to grow very fast. 4 months, you will get eggs.
So
from them.
in a day you feed them like how many times in a day?
3 times per day. So they take something like 20 kilos per day.
If you can tell us about the housing, because you know many people fear to start poultry farming because they need a very beautiful and big house. Is that necessary?
So about the house, you must put the windows like this one
Okay.
for
For air.
air.
Okay.
You don't. So we don't want to leave this space when it's open. So we'll get some advantage like wild animals.
So this one here, like this small house here, as how big it is? Like how many iron sheets?
There are 16 iron seats in this house.
So guys, a house of 16 iron sheets, and how many can fit there?
Chicks, eh?
Yes, how many chicks?
There are 200 chicks, but
Okay.
we lost 85.
Wow. Let's talk about that challenge. What happened?
So the challenge is coccidiosis. The disease called coccidiosis will attack us. They start with as vomiting, not even coughing.
Okay.
They start cough. So I bought to the drug called the tylosis. And then one week ago, so that challenge will become the disease called coccidiosis. So they attack 1 week, not even 1 week, per day. We lost 20 chicks
Hey.
per day.
So
Then
coccidiosis is one of the dangerous
the
diseases.
dangerous disease.
Wow.
So if coccidiosis attack these chicks, I can't buy even the vaccine, because if you put a vaccine when the coccidiosis attack, they will die all. So if a coccidiosis attack, don't put antibiotics. You just leave. You buy the drug called the Newcastle. Newcastle vaccine. So don't put Newcastle vaccine. If you put the Newcastle vaccine, they will die.
Many people outside there believe and they think when you're keeping broilers, they are supposed to be indoor. Why are we having them outside sometimes?
So the challenge is a maize bran.
Okay.
They eat a lot of maize bran. So I decided to bring them outside to eat some grass. And so they decided, I put the maize at the midday.
Okay.
So I feed these chicks 2 times per day. Because if you put them inside, they will eat a lot of maize bran. They will eat more than 40 kilos
Wow.
per day.
Wow.
So I decided to bring them outside.
Let's talk about water. Many farms that have reached it, many farmers have a challenge of water. What are you telling us about water in poultry farm?
So you must put the drinkers. If you have 200 chicks, you must buy 10 drinkers. And then water, you must put water there anytime. You must water to be there, because at this time we are now in dry season. If you lack water, they will die. That's the challenge again.
Maybe what is that advice you can tell a beginner there, someone who wants to start, and maybe they are still looking for a lot of money to start? I can say, like, you started with how many?
267.
Okay.
267 chicks.
So what is your advice to someone outside there?
So my advice is, for us use, let's come to keep poultry keeping. So if you did a job outside there, you must put even 22 to 30 chicks or hens. So I don't want you people to buy 10 eggs. You will not benefit, because every month you must vaccinate these chicks. So you buy more than 20 or 50, you will be in benefit, because one hen here, it's now chicks.
Yes.
So it's now a hen.
Yes.
So we sold that this creel at 30,000 a female, and then the male one we sold at 50 for 3 months. You imagine, 3 months, 4 months, you will get more than 3 million. 3 million. If you sold the 100 chicks or 100 hens, you will get 3 million per 3 months. So for us to use, let's come back to help our fathers to keep these chicks. So if you get the challenge like coccidiosis, don't lose hope. You must oh, sorry. So don't lose hope. You must be strong to keep these chicks.
Wow, how like is there someone who helped you with the idea of starting this?
So I started doing this work 2017. So my dad is a best farmer in Serere.
Okay.
So I started learn this thing 2017. So my dad called me that you come and help me to treat these chicks. So to vaccinate. So I started learn from there. Anytime she called me that so are you at home? I said that yeah, I'm at home. You help me to treat those chicks, those hens. So I'm far. There's no way can I come and treat those hens. If you're there, you help me. So I said that it's fine. I'm going to do it. So I started do this work. So if you keep the chicks or the hens, you must know the drugs. So every month you must buy a drug every month, antibiotics, multivitamin. Kati if this is attack me, I bought to multivitamin because they remove appetite from those hens. So I bought multivitamin and glucose to put in the water, to mix in the water. Let's just leave that.
Okay, maybe the other one is about, in poultry farming, there are so many breeds. Others go for layers, others go for broilers, broilers. Why did you start with this?
So I started with this because they grow very fast. Layers, it's very difficult to skip. They need a lot of feed because we don't have some other things from here. We like even this house, they're young. They are still what? They are young. So they need the big house. So that's why we started with this small what? Small chicks.
Wow. Oh, that is so great there. Maybe your last message to our youth outside there. Many believe that for you to become rich, you need to have come from a rich family. What is that advice in line with the poultry farming? If you think it can change someone outside there.
So poultry farming is good. So you know me, I did the motor vehicle mechanics, but I left. I came back to start this poultry.
Okay.
So you know, if you keep this poultry keeping, you will be benefit. Or if you sold like 50 hens, like 30, you'll get something like 2 million. If you sold the male ones, 50, not even 5 hens, 5 chicks, 5 cocks, you'll get something like 250, you imagine, for 3 months. So you remove 50 or 100,000 for buying other things. So I want to advise you to keep these things very well, very well. You come and help your fathers, your mothers. Don't go in a center to play, to gamble, to play cards. You come back to help our fathers to keep the what? To keep the chickens and pigs and even cows. And even the maggots. Okay, we shall start from there. So we are now in it.
Yes, wow. Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching JOCARE Services, JOCARE TV. My name is Julius Ojola, and I'm here in Ochokchan, of course, Sorote district, where I am right now. And my brother here has talked a lot about this type of poultry farming, and I know many of you can be will be inspired with this video. Thank you so much, guys. Keep in touch. We are going to take you to the next video, and you will be able to inspire yourself. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.